Eric, you want me to cut it? Cut it? Can I cut it for you? Please? Cut it for you?
No.
Why? You just like to say no. Can I cut your Fig Newton?
Okay. Okay.
Oh. Can I cut your Fig Newton for you? Oh, thank you. How about you eat one? No, you gotta eat it. Can I cut this one? Can I cut it?
No.
Why?
No.
Well, okay. I hope you eat it.
No. No.
What's your favorite word?
No. Nana. Nana.
It's no?
Nana.
No, no?
Nana.
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 More.
Mama.
Dada.
Dada.
Casey.
Daddy.
Mama.
Mama.
Dougie.
Daddy.
Water?
Daddy.
Cookie. No. Night-night? Okay. Bye-bye? You say bye-bye? Thirsty? You say Dagny?
Hey.
Bye-bye. Okay, bye.